Hello everyone, in this video we will see allied angles problems. Okay, so in that first example is simplify tan 180 plus a into sec 180 plus a into cosec 90 plus a upon sec of minus a into cot of 90 plus a. We need to simplify this value. So for that, first we will write on the value first. So next, first step, 180 plus a, 180 plus a, 90 plus a and 90 minus a we will bring in the standard form. So you know the standard form is what? N into 90. So standard form is n into 90 either plus or minus theta. Correct? Therefore, which is equals to first tan, this 180 can be written as what? 2 into 90 plus a. Okay, plus a is there, so keep it as it is, into next sec, again 180 can be written as what? 2 into 90 plus a into next cosec, in bracket 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90, again here plus a, divided by so here what is there? Sec of minus a is there. So you know the formula, correct? So you know this formula. So which one? In a trigonometric ratios of minus theta, you know sec of minus theta value is only sec theta. Okay, this formula we are going to apply. Okay, trigonometric ratios of what? Minus theta. In that, what is the formula? Sec of minus theta is what? Only sec theta. Therefore, sec of minus a becomes only sec a. Sec a into, again next cot, again 90 is there. 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 plus a. So this is the first step. So all these are now in the standard form. So next, one by one you need to simplify. So which is equals to, so you can observe here 2 is even number. When it is even number, all 6 trigonometric ratios remains what here? Same. If it is odd number, it is going to change, correct? So here even number is there, so tan will remain tan. So tan will remain what here? Tan. Next here at the end a is there, so that a means angle, that value I am going to keep it as it is. Next here 2 plus. Okay, so 2 plus means 2 times you need to rotate. So here I will draw that plus. 0 1 2, here it will come. Plus means which quadrant it will jump? Third quadrant. Okay, so you know in the third quadrant tan is which sign here? Plus sign. Therefore tan will remain what here? Plus. The answer for tan 2 into 90 plus a value is what? Tan a. Okay, so next into, next again here even number. So even number, so sec will remain what here? Sec. Again at the end a is there, so keep that a as it is. Again here 2 plus. Okay, here only I will draw that plus, so you will understand. So 2 plus means 0 1 2, here it will come. So plus means again third quadrant. You know in the third quadrant the sec is which sign here? Negative sign. Therefore you need to mention here which sign in bracket? Minus sign. So sec of 2 into 90 plus a value is what? Minus sec a. Okay, so next here which type of number? Odd number, correct? So odd number means cosec changes to what here? Sec. Okay, see, if odd number, cosec changes to what here? Sec. Therefore you need to change cosec changes to in bracket only sec. Again at the end a is there, so keep that a as it is. Next here 1 plus. So plus sign 0 1, here it will come. Plus means which quadrant here? Second quadrant. You know in the second quadrant, cosec is which sign here? plus sign. Therefore you keep it as it is, nothing means positive sign. So cosec 1 into 90 plus a value is what? Sec a, divided by again this is sec a, keep it as it is, sec a, keep it as it is. Next here 1 means again which type of number? Odd number. So odd number, that time cot changes to what here? Tan. Again at the end a is there, so keep that a as it is. So next here 1 plus is there, so here I am going to draw the plus sign. 0 1 here it will come. Plus means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Again you know, in the second quadrant this is the cot is there, so in the second quadrant cot is which sign here? Negative sign. So here I am going to mention which sign? Minus sign, correct? Therefore cot 1 into 90 plus a value is minus tan a. So next, so which is equals to, here only I will write, first minus divided by minus is what? Plus. Therefore what is the remaining value? Tan a, sorry, tan a into next sec a into again sec a, divided by again denominator sec a into tan a. So that time because of multiplication sign, tan a sec a going to get cancelled. What is the remaining value? Sec a. So this is the final answer. So next question, show that cos 270 plus a into cos 90 minus a minus sin 270 minus a into cos a is equals to 1. Means if you simplify this left hand side, final answer you should get how much here? 1. Then only left hand side is equals to what here? Right hand side. So for that first we will note down the left hand side value. So left hand side, so again same process. First 270 plus a, 90 minus a, 270 minus a, bring in the standard form. Therefore how I am going to write? Which is equals to this cos, I am going to keep it as it is, cos, you know 270 can be written as what? 3 into 90 is 270, again plus a, that angle keep it as it is, into next cos 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 minus a, into minus next sin 270 is there. How to write 270? 3 into 90 minus a, at the end cos a is there, so keep that cos a as it is, cos a as it is. Okay, so this is the first step. Next, now second step, you see n is even number or odd number, so which is equals to, see here which type of number? 3 is the odd number, so that time cos changes to what here? Sin, and at the end the angle is how much here? A, so keep it as it is. Okay, so next here I am going to draw one small plus sign. So here 3 plus means which quadrant? 0 1 2 3, here 3 comes, so plus means which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. So you know in the fourth quadrant, cos, given cos is which sign here? Positive sign. So here cos is given, so cos becomes what here? Plus, so plus sign. So again into, again here odd number, so again cos changes to what here? Sin, cos changes to sin, into what here? Cos, that angle remains as it is. So next here 1 minus is there, so here I will draw the plus. 1 minus means 0, start with the 0, 1, minus means previous quadrant. So previous quadrant means which quadrant here? First quadrant. You know in first quadrant all 6 trigonometric ratios are what? Again plus. So next here minus sign, so keep that minus sign as it is. Next again odd number, therefore sine changes to what here? Cos. Again at the end angle A, you keep it as it is. So next again I'm going to draw the plus. Here 3 minus is there, so 0 1 2 3. Here 3 comes, minus means previous quadrant, so previous means which quadrant it will go? Third quadrant. You know, in the third quadrant, this is the third quadrant, given which value is there? Sine. Okay, so given sine is negative, correct? Therefore you need to mention here negative sine. So next, into what is the final value? Cos A. Cos A value, keep it as it is. So next, which is equals to, you know, plus into plus is plus, sine into sine goes to what here? Sine square A. Sine into sine goes to what? Sine square A. Next, minus into minus is plus, cos into cos goes to how much here? Cos square A. Cos into cos is cos square A. So next, you know, in a trigonometric identity, correct? In trigonometry, what is the identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta value is always how much here? 1. So this is the formula, correct? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here angle is theta, but here angle is given how much? Given is what? A is there. Therefore sine square A plus cos square A value goes to how much here? 1. So which is equals to which part here? Right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equals to what here? Right hand side. LHS is equals to RHS. So next question. Show that sine of minus theta divided by sine pi plus theta plus tan pi by 2 plus theta divided by tan pi by 2 minus theta plus sine pi by 2 minus theta divided by sine pi by 2 plus theta is equals to how much here? 1. So again you need to show this left hand side value is equals to how much here? 1. So for that, first we will take the left hand side value. So left hand side. So now here you can observe, here angle is given in what? Radian. So first step, this radian we are going to convert in what? Degree. So after converting degree, then that degree value will convert in what? The standard form. So first, you know, this first formula is what? Sine of minus theta, I am going to keep it as it is. So which is equals to, first sine of minus theta, I am going to keep it as it is, divided by, again sine, you know, pi radian means how much degree? 180 degree plus theta. Okay, pi means how much degree? 180 degree plus theta plus, again pi by 2 means 90 degree. So tan, it is 90, again plus theta, keep it as it is, divided by, again pi by 2 means 90 degree. So tan 90 minus theta. Okay, so next plus, again pi by 2 means 90 degree, sine 90 minus theta divided by, again pi by 2 means 90 degree, again 90 plus theta. So this is the first step. Okay, next, so you know, here again a trigonometric ratios of minus theta. You know this formula, sine of minus theta value is minus sine theta. Okay, sine of minus theta value is what? Minus sine theta. Therefore which is equals to this sine of minus theta becomes what? Minus sine theta. So in bracket I am going to keep. Okay, so divided by, now 180 you bring in the standard form. How to bring in the standard form? How to write 180? So 2 into 90 plus theta. So 2 into 90 plus theta. So next, plus sign I am going to keep it as it is. Again tan is there, so tan 90 is there. 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 plus theta divided by again tan, keep it as it is. Again, how to write 90? 1 into 90 minus theta. 1 into 90 minus theta. So next plus again sine 90 is there, so sine 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 minus theta divided by sine 1 into 90 plus theta. So now it is in the standard form. Next, which is equals to, first minus sine theta, I am going to keep it as it is, divided by. So next here you can see 2 is which type of number? Even number. Therefore sine will remain sine. At the end angle theta is there, so keep that theta as it is. Next here 2 plus is there, so here I am going to draw that plus. So here 2 plus 0 1 2, here it will come. So plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. You know, in the third quadrant sign is which sign here? Negative sign. Therefore in bracket I am going to mention here negative sign. So next plus again here which type of number? Odd number. Therefore tan changes to what here? Cot. At the end angle is there, so keep that angle theta as it is. Next here 1 plus is there, so here 1 plus is there, so I am going to draw the plus. 0 1 here it will come. Plus means which quadrant here? Second quadrant. So again you know, in the second quadrant the tan is which sign here? Minus sign. Okay, therefore here you have to mention minus cot theta divided by again odd number, so that time tan changes to what here? Cot. Again at the end angle theta is there, so next in bracket 1 minus is there, so here I am going to draw that plus. 0 1 here it will come. Minus means the previous quadrant, means first quadrant. You know, in the first quadrant all the values are what? Positive. Therefore tan is which sign here? Plus sign. Next plus again odd number, sign changes to what here? Cos angle theta. Next 1 minus is there, so again I am going to draw the plus sign. 0 1 minus means which quadrant here? First quadrant. Again in the first quadrant all values are positive, so sign is positive, divided by again in bracket odd number, sign changes to what here? Cos theta, and then angle theta keep it as it is. 1 plus, so plus sign. 0 1 here, plus means next quadrant, means a second quadrant. You know, in the second quadrant the sign is which sign? Positive sign. Therefore here you mention plus. Here you mention what? Plus. So next, so now first simplify the sign value, so which is equals to, you know, minus divided by minus is plus. Therefore here remaining value is what? Sin theta divided by what? Sin theta. Next again minus divided by plus is what? Minus, but outside positive sign is there, therefore plus into minus goes to what here? Minus. Cot theta divided by what here? Cot theta. So next plus divided by plus is plus, plus into plus is what? Plus only. Remaining value is cos theta divided by what here? Cos theta. Okay, so next easily you can cancel sin theta, sin theta. So what is the remaining value? 1 minus cot and cot get cancelled, 1 plus cos and cos get cancelled, remaining value is 1. So here plus and minus sign, both the values are going to get cancelled, that is plus 1 and minus 1. So what is the remaining value? 1. So which is equals to which part here? Right hand side. So finally right hand side value how much we got? 1 here. Therefore you need to write LHS is equals to what here? RHS. So what we did here, first after writing the values, First, in a radian it is given, convert that radian into degree first. Okay, after converting in degree, next these degrees values bring in the standard form. Next, apply that allied angle steps, so easily you will get the answer. Thank you.